I'm at London Tower Bridge, Central London, United Kingdom. The view is amazing from here, but it's really cold. This is a huge river. The weather is quite cold and it's raining now, and I'm walking to the London Tower, London Bridge. Wow. Come on. Oh my god. It's cold and it's windy, it's raining. However, it's amazing. Yeah. I'm really enjoying the time, my vacation in London. That's Big Bang, London. It's a cool, it's beautiful. That's awesome. There are many bridges over here. One of the bridge I'm walking around, and over there is a couple of bridges. That's London Eye and London Tower. Here are some government buildings around, hotels, and it's a windy day. It is cold and a little bit rainy. However, just a while ago rain stopped. Now it's cloudy and just a windy. It is a beautiful view from here. Eye-catching view of London City. That's amazing. There's one more Decker bus coming. This is London.
She's got the worst mutant power, but she's got the best
was a street talk. Please don't focus on that, what he's saying. Just ignore it and focus on the view. This is amazing view. That's so lovely. Raining now. This is London Eye. The London Eye ticket is £42 and is valid for half an hour. Is the round trip only half an hour trip. So I need to purchase per person is £42. As of right now, the ticket price. So here is the entrance. That's waiting place. It's only one round.